This might not be a very flattering angle, but look at the sunset. It's so pretty. Hi. Today I am currently sitting outside of my job, waiting on my mom to pick me up because I lost my car. Again. And when I tell you, it feels like everything is falling the fuck apart, and yet I feel this is the closest I've ever felt to myself in my life. Maybe the happiest I've ever been. And yet, so, I'd like to embody this sunset. Embracing the shadow that is to come. And I don't know, man. I'm pretty much left with no choice but to go all out in me, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but a lot of embarrassing things has happened, I feel like, to me, or what would be considered embarrassing or, oh gosh, mortifying. And today wasn't so much embarrassing as shitty. I mean, people go through it, but definitely having my coworker or my boss come up to me, I thought I was going to get fired, and he just told me that my coworkers on my car get taken. So, still on my job, which is nice. I think I'm really proud of myself for not succumbing to sadness all the way, like I definitely have felt it, but it's just, I have undeniable faith within myself. And I am the fucking high priestess. I am gifted with the sight of, the gift of prophecy, bro. I'm like a freaking goddamn psychic, and I'm an artist, and I'm a fucking model, and I can train to act if we need that. Say that's what we want. Confirmation, bang bang. No, I'm a musician. I'm a flawed human being. There's a song called Camouflage by Brandy. 333. And you guys should listen to it. And I think that song has a lot to do with how I've camouflaged myself and only accepted certain parts of myself instead of loving myself wholly and trusting that that is enough. Trusting that your love you give so freely to others is worthy of, I don't know why, as I hear holding still within you, or it's worthy of resonating, and I don't know. I'm a little down, but hey, we've been going through it. So we got rear-ended right when we caught up to the payments, and then that just dragged out for over 2 months, and then lost our job, got another job, what? And then lost our car. So we are still continuously abundant. and refuse to accept these 3D circumstances as my reality. I am woo-woo. I am Delulu. It's not delusional when it is decided. So I wish I could say April Fools, but shit, bitch. Joke's on them. We can't give up. And I just think it's so crazy. Last night I saw Clack Symphony, I believe, by Ray. And the wail that I let out of my mouth, like the just cathartic wail I released from my body to hear my favorite composer and Ray come together and make something that's inspirational for hope. Some like songs that I used to write in my bedroom that was corny, or I thought it wasn't popular, so I just gave up on it. Like, she didn't. And her flowers are overdue. So as we embrace this Saturn the fuck return and this full moon, pink full moon tonight, I want to hold firm, anchor into this beautiful collective, into this beautiful mindset, into this abundant, boundless, mesmerizing way of living, which is fuck whatever is trying to bring us down in regards to energy, because them attacks have been loco. Sorry if I'm yelling into the mic. Sometimes I forget that a part of the journey after you jump off the cliff is to get out of the water. And right now it just feels like I keep slipping on the rocks. And to even get out, to get onto the new path has been just... And that's not even true, because it's not like we're going backwards. I'm embracing a journey that I didn't even know I was a part of. You know what I mean? So, I surrender. I love you. I hope you're doing well. Shit, like, that's what I'm saying. So much shit is going down in the world right now that wants us to be in a low vibration, that needs us to be in a low vibration so we do not ascend. Oh my God, look at that plane taking off if you can see it. Holy shit, that bitch is big. Literally, everything is a sign. All of it is symbolism. I shit you not. Look at this fat fucking plane about to take off. Can you see it? Can you see it? No. I don't know if you can see it. Shit, where is it? Oh, there it is. You see it? Hopefully. I don't know. It's a big plane. It's takeoff season. We're about to take flight. I feel it. I know it. I know it. Just when all things seem like it's falling apart, they're all falling in place. So I love you. And I'm fucking proud of you. I'm so fucking proud of you, motherfucker. Do it. Post it. Send it. Release it. Type it. Write it. Paint it. Draw it. Sing it. Create it. Transpose it. It's time. Welcome.